Let's take a look at Koti. This is the daily chart for Koti, and the data I have is to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on October the 14th. Koti broke out of consolidations near the end of January. Went on this really nice bull run. Ran from about 5 cents all the way to 60 cents. Retraced, bounced up to about 48 cents. Then we saw this first bearish signal when the 10 days crossed over and it dropped below the 50 days. After that, the price continued to drop all the way to about 8 cents. Far bottom started to reverse. First bullish signal is when the 10 days cross over and lead the 50 days. After that, the price continued to trend up. Coti ran up to about 48 cents, retest the prior high, retrace, consolidate. If we look at the time frame from the middle of May until near the end of September, Coti was forming this beautiful cup and handle, and then around the middle of September, it broke out. The target for this breakout should take Koti to about 74 cents. Koti spiked up to about 67 cents. Then retrace, consolidate. Today, Koti is up about 4% or is trading at 52 cents. Looks like Koti is beginning to trend up again. Let's take a look at Koti on a 1-hour chart. Koti broke out of the handle and ran up to about 68 cents. Retraced, dropped down to about 49 cents. Bounced right back up to 61 cents. Retraced. The minute it retested this prior low at 49 cents, bounced right back up. So what we have here is a potential for a double bottom and a bounce off the double bottom, which Koti is doing, it is forming this upward channel and has been trending up within this upward channel. A reversal from a double bottom could technically take Koti to retest this prior highs, and a crossover would take it to our target of about 73 cents. It is the exact target of the breakout of the cup and handle. So all of this is indicating that Koti is in the process of continue the breakout of this cup and handle that would eventually take it to reach our target price of 73 cents. Switch over to the daily chart. The chart is definitely looking extremely bullish. We have this death cross that turned into a golden cross when the 50-day crossover and then lead the 200 days. The 10 days moving average continued to lead both the 50-day as well as the 200 days. And the Bollinger Band is forming out perfectly. It spiked up and the band get expanded. The price retraced, the band contracted tight enough, price spiked up, the band expanded, and then overstretched. The price consolidate, the band contracted, and it get to the point where it is extremely tight. It is starting to expand now as Koti is spiking up. The stochastic oscillator is showing that Koti is moving out of this oversold territory. Momentum is definitely picking up. There was this crossover where the blue signal line is now leading the red line, and that is a positive indicator. So all these positive indicators are pointing to a very high probability that Koti already found bottom as part of this retracement, and now it is in the process of reversing direction and trend higher as part of the breakout of this cup and handle. The first major resistance level would be at 57 cents, and then 61 cents, 67 cents, where it would also be testing this prior high. Crossover that would take Koti to our target price of about 73 cents. That is assuming that Bitcoin would stabilize and trend higher. If Bitcoin were to retrace, it's very likely that Koti would retrace as well. The first level of support would be right at this double bottom, or around 49 cents. A breakdown would take Koti to about 44 cents, where it would also be testing the support of this 50 days moving average. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe And make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at VietMaxim because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.